Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a soft reset of GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! Luckily, it's very easy. Soft reset is just a simple reset of the device. So, all you want to do is simply, well, you don't really have to take it off, but you want to take your GoPro and you want to find the power icon, which also works as the mode changer, and you want to press and hold it. You should see a little beep with powering off indicator, and now you want to press and hold it once again to power it on, and you will notice that now it is rebooted, so the soft reset is performed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.